And welcome back to Pokemon Chat.
Are you kidding me, man? I'm fucking charging my phone over here.
You should know this by now.
I didn't think you were gonna start while I was plugging stuff in. Did you start while I was talking too?
No,
Or was it right after I
A
started?
little after you stopped.
Alright, so I've never opened a Dragon Majesty, so I bought myself Dragon Majesty for 50% off. It was $20 for all this, so it was a pretty good deal.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, might as well.
These are
Comes with all this stuff that's upside down.
good job.
And then it comes with 6 packs, a big giant card, and 2 promos. And these.
You don't have that pin, do you?
All my pins are up there.
I don't see it.
That way for you guys over there. I
Open
know we
this
were pointing
shit.
off camera, and
Oh,
they're
wait,
like,
I see it. I think I gave you one. I think I gave it to you.
"What?
This
This
pin.
one?
This pin.
Probably."
Someone opened it while I was at that comic store, and they didn't want anything else, so they just wanted the packs. So they just gave me everything else in there. I was like, all right.
What is this? Is it just a background?
Yep.
Okay.
You completely destroyed it in your attempt to. There you go.
Coin. Coin.
I like how it came out after you stopped pushing.
It did. So we've got the coin, we've got the pen, we've got the things,
The promos.
we've got all these packs, and one of them was upside down. Funnily enough.
Ain't that something?
Isn't that just fucking dandy?
Ain't that a pickle peach?
So make sure you watch the whole episode, and we'll be giving this one away. We'll be giving this bad boy away. There's a little teaser. Whoa.
Oh, that's a
Whoa.
little code, all right.
Yeah, there's a code. And we got this big ass card.
Could you imagine playing that?
You got a B legendary. It does 1,000 damage by having just those 3.
Seems overkill.
They also have 500 HP.
Well, I mean, Lord has 300, so getting almost there. Good job. Did it.
All right.
I did it. Jesus.
Apparently that one was still upside down.
All right. Oh, okay. You want the Dragonite?
Yeah.
Alright.
I was like, there's 3. I want them all.
Well,
All right, let me get back up now that I'm on this side again and open over there. Yeah, I've just never opened the set, saw it was only going to be $20, and I was like, okay, cool.
And each one comes with at least a holographic card.
Whoa. And these are 4?
Yes.
Lightning. Fairy.
I guess I don't get to guess.
Nope. We're too slow.
You're too slow. Okay. Magikarp, Schwablu, Charmander, a Bagon, a Wishy-Washy, a Shelgon, and a Kyurem.
Hello.
You're gonna see a lot of him if you buy these.
If you want to sleeve that up, then you can. If not, then whatever.
Yeah. Because you always get at least a holographic.
Okay.
Yeah, we go for the GX a little higher. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, take that.
Oh no. Lightning, damn it. It was already flipping as I said lightning, so I don't think it counts.
Not at all. Shelgon, Fire Flint, Milovic, Nathan, Schwablu, Trapinch, Kanger, Reverse Rare Blaziken.
And?
Blaziken!
Wow, nice!
Blaziken!
I actually might take those to HQ with us and give them to Cam.
I'm sure he has. Well, I don't know. I offered it to him when we opened them because we got a ton of them, but...
No, I'm trying to keep those in separate because I separate them in my box now. So they go over there. Whoa, it's another white. How about that?
That's weird.
Whoa, right? Then we got... what is it?
Water.
It's gonna be grass. Dark. Suck my knees.
Whoa. Lazzle, Flygon, Talon, Schwablu, Trapinch, Dratini. Called that one, obviously, and a Hydreigon.
Yeah.
Or King Ghidorah.
What?
Oh, it's supposed to be King Ghidorah.
I don't know what that is.
Never
Whoa,
seen
another white one. How about that?
You never seen fucking Ghidorah? Godzilla?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dude. The fuck?
Fairy, I guessed it. I got that.
Grandpa. Flygon, Darumaka, Horsey, Phoebus, Wishy-Washy, Vibrava. Ready for this?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, it's a camo now. Oh shit.
We got 2 Cam cards. Damn it. I mean, technically my name is Cam as well.
With an actual K, like these guys.
Yeah. How in the fuck? There we go.
Wow. I don't think you could have messed it up any more than you did.
My brain was like 4 or 5. What?
5. Psychic.
Water. Damn it. We're bad at
God,
this game.
you suck. It's not even. There we go. Schwablu, Trapinch, Kankescon, Corsola, another Corsola. I see something.
Oh, full art.
Hey,
full art.
Reshiram.
Full art.
GX. To go with your promo Reshiram GX.
Yay! Yay! You know other promo? Oh wait, we got one more box. Pack.
Get one more box.
Pack.
Put those over there so we can show them on camera, you stupid. I'm not gonna continue that.
Stupid what, lovely man?
Sure.
Half of this side, half of that side. Water!
I'm sorry, I'm not used to it. Ooh, Zinnia.
Zinnia.
Flygon, Schwablu. That guy.
That guy.
Toto.
I hate that guy. Least favorite dragon.
Zekrom. To go with your Zekrom GX.
Yay!
Whoa. And you
I lost my balance. Guys, I'm dying.
And you almost died.
$20.
At least you got, like, the Blue Eyes White Dragon.
Yeah.
It is actually the Blue Eyes White Dragon, guys. Blue Eyes White Dragon.
Yeah, and it's pretty. It goes to my collection now.
Just want to make a foyer deck.
Honestly, wasn't really worth it. I wanted the packs because I never opened the packs, but I only got one good thing. I mean, technically I got a bunch of hollows, I know, but these packs, that's just like getting a common. Anyways, we'll see you guys next week on the next video when we do the next opening, because there's the next time.
Alright, we forgot to give away the code.
Sorry, here's the code. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, move it away. I know. That's way too long. I like kind of killed my last ending of like with the other stuff, and I don't even know what to say, man. I mean, I got full art, so that's cool. Bye!